We interviewed 3 random PCU students about the importance of learning hazards.
So as a student po, ano yung importance of knowing hazards?
I think, for me as a student, I think that we all should know the hazards around us because it would benefit us in the near future so we could prepare what could happen to us in the future. So,
Knowing hazards can benefit us in many different ways. First of all, we can advise people who don't know. We can educate. Number two, also concerning safety. One safety is the safety of all. And number three, main reason is that so we can spread awareness. We can also be able to spread a good word about knowing hazards and how they can benefit you yourself as a student.
The importance of knowing hazards as a student, syempre, mas mahalaga ito para mas prepared tayo. Kahit hindi pa during ng hazard or hindi pa nangyayari, mas nagiging prepared tayo at nagiging ready tayo. Then, for sure, magagamit natin ito kapag during hazard.
So some of the example of hazard here, we have the wet matting or what we call the putek in Tagalog. And possibly, kapag naglakad po yung tao dito and wala pong safety sign or caution, maaari pong madapa yung mga tao with causing them or in results na pwede po sila magkaroon ng damage po sa katawan po.
Sa panghalimbawa ng hazard ay itong punong nasa likod ko. At pwede itong mag-cause ng damage sa infrastructure sa paaralan na ito at mapahamak ang mga tao sa loob nito. Kaya importanteng mapangalagaan or maiwasan natin ang mga ganitong uri ng hazard.
So as you can see here, there's abandoned things here around PCU. So since hindi na siya ginagamit, pwede siya pamahayan ng lamok kapag umulan. So may mga things or gamit na pwede malagyan ng tubig. So pwede siya pakitugan ng mga lamok that can cause dengue to the PCU students. So and since di na nga siya ginagamit, pwede siya maging vulnerable para sa mga students kapag nagiba, bumagyo or pag pumasok sila sa loob, so pwedeng magiba, so pwedeng maapektuhan yung mga students doon.
importante po na sa atin, malaman po yung hazard dahil maaari po ito makatulong sa atin in the near future. If kailangan po man natin gumawa po ng mga desisyon para makatakas po sa susunod. Like, kunwari po itong fire station po. Pag nagkaroon po man ng sunog, pwede na po gamitin. And then, hindi man po natin alam kung paano gamitin yan. Naglagay naman po sila ng instruction, which is the PASS. So ito po yung PASS po. Yung P po, pull the pin, A, aim at the base of the fire, S, squeeze the lever, and S again, or shift side to side.